Today, we're making chorizo breakfast burritos. Start by cracking some eggs. We usually do 1.5 eggs per breakfast burrito. Add about 1/4 cup of heavy cream and whisk. Dicing the vegetables is next. We're using white onion, red bell pepper, and 1 russet potato. Small to medium chop on the bell pepper and onion is fine. You want to go with at least 1/4 inch on the potato. You could also leave the skin on the potato if you wanted to. We've chosen to take it off. In a hot cast iron skillet, you want to brown your potatoes first and then add your vegetables. Then add 1 pack of chorizo and brown before incorporating with the vegetables. I like to split them in the pan so that you can cook them all at once. Once the chorizo is mostly cooked, you can start mixing in your eggs. You may want to dial the heat back so that the pan doesn't burn the bottom of the mix. Cook the mix thoroughly. Heat up some tortillas and get ready to roll them out. We're rolling these out with about 1.5 eggs per burrito. Again, you could also add cheese at this stage or in the mix if you like. This recipe is great for meal prep. We use it regularly with a variety of different ingredients. We'll put a link to another video in the description here below. You could also add as much heat here as you wanted to, but for this we keep it pretty mild for the weekday mornings. Store them, freeze them, microwave them. They're great for busy mornings on the go. Until next time, thanks for watching.